One of the things you might find is that sometimes you want to add up a series of values, and the easiest way to do it is to use the AutoSum feature. So in this case here, I've created a little bit of a weekly sales template, and down in my total field here in E9, what I want to do is add up all of those values. So all I simply do in this case is select it, go up to the AutoSum feature, which is in the editing group, click on it once, and then the program will then look up from that point and go, okay, well, these are all the values. This is the range E5 to E8. If you're happy with that, hit enter, and it will then put a total into that particular cell. Now, the cool part about this function is this has now made this little template totally dynamic. So if I was to change the quantity here on shoes from 500 to 600, it first updates the end of the total, which in this case is now 15,000, which then flows through to our AutoSum value of 32,300. So you can see how it's updated. And this is one of the really cool advantages of working with Microsoft Excel, that it is dynamic and any changes you make will be reflected normally instantly.